Did you know that anchor tags go to happy hour too? Yeah, they go to the navigation bar. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a simple navigation bar using HTML and CSS. First, let's create a nav tag and then enter about 5 anchor tags. Then let's label these anchor tags. Let's call the first one home. Let's call the second one about, resume, portfolio, and contact. Next, we're going to tell these anchor tags where to go. I'm going to have a div with the ID of home, another div with the ID of about, resume, portfolio, and contact. Let's give our nav bar some styling. I want our nav tag to have a background color of a dark gray. I'm going to give it a hex code color of 333. And I want to get rid of that margin on the top and on the sides. So I'm going to modify the styling of the body tag to, let's give the margin 0. And I want to give our A tags a little bit more height and width. So I'm just going to adjust the padding of these A tags and give the padding on top and on the bottom and on the sides 15 pixels. And if you notice, the padding on the top and the bottom of the anchor tags didn't change, and that's because the default display of anchor tags is inline. So if we change the display of these anchor tags to inline block, it'll respect the top and bottom padding. And it's really hard to read the anchor tags, so let's change the color of the font to white. And I want to get rid of those underlines, so I'm going to change the text decoration to none. Let's center these anchor tags. I'm going to change the text align property from left to center. And it's still hard to read these anchor tags, so let's change the font size and make it a little bit bigger. That's a lot better now. And I want to be able to hover on these anchor tags and change the background color of them. Anchor tags have a pseudo class of hover, and I'm going to change the background color to a light blue. Now when I hover over these anchor tags, the background color changes to a light blue. Over here in the HTML section, I'm going to give each anchor tag a corresponding div. So I'm creating 5 divs and this anchor tag is supposed to send you to the ID of home. So I'm giving the first div the ID of home, the second div ID of about, the third one resume, fourth one portfolio, and the last one contact. I'm just going to write a little bit of text in each div so that you can see the divs down here on the page. Now when you click on each anchor tag, it doesn't do anything right now because the page is too short. So real quick, I'm going to give each ID a height of 500 pixels, just so you can, this is just for testing so that you know that the anchor tags are working here in the nav bar. Height 500 px. Okay, so when you click on about, it takes you to the about section. When you click on resume, it takes you to the resume section, contact section.